welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is something very different from all the videos I posted. I know that I just started YouTube, but like I'm so excited every time I make videos. Anyways, this new year I moved to a new place and I am decorating my room. I bought a lot of things for my room, so I want you guys to come with me because I want to share this with you. So let's go! Ordered a Chinese food. This is just a pasta with like a lot of toppings. I forgot what it's called. I did my groceries in the Food Panda app because I'm a lazy girl and I was out partying last night. These are the things that I got from the Panda Mart. I have 2 bags. So, naghahanap ako sa Panda Mart kanina ng towel. And I got one. This is the towel. I initially ordered pink, but they told me like there's no pink. So I was like, okay, any color will do. As long as I can use it for shower. Manipis, ayoko. Sana yung na-order ko makapal, pero if not, okay lang. Let's find new one. But I got... Oh! Why did they give me calamansi? I got pancit canton, but it's calamansi. I ordered chili mansi. Chips. I ordered a bunch of chips for snacks. And I got Coke, mini Cokes. I got milk. I thought you malaki. I got 2 milk.
Tomorrow.
Guys, room situation. Konti na lang. Ito, supposed to be done siya. But in-interchange ko siya. Because like, I feel like this one. I wanna put my perfumes here. These are my skincare. These are like my kung anak-anak. I have my iron, my curler, my blower, and something for my skincare. My alak gel. But over there, sorry, sobrang gulo yung food ko kanina. Oh my god. So here, tinatanggal ko lang siya sa mga boxes niya. This is my recently purchased. I use it ng New Year. I don't know if it's good because hindi ko siya naasikaso. Hindi ko siya nabantayan actually if like maganda ba siya or not. But yes. And I got a new toner. This is the SK2 facial treatment clear lotion. I don't know. This was recommended by my friend. Kasi naghanap ako ng toner. Tapos sabi niya, ito. Sobrang mahal nito, guys. Parang I think this one, I got it for like $180 Sing dollars. So, sobrang mahal niya. Yung toner lang naman na ginagamit ko. Actually, hindi siya toner. It's like micellar water pala siya ng Garnier. So, yun lang. Parang $20 lang yun dito sa SG. Pero sa Pinas, alam ko yung Garnier mahal. But, yes. First time ko mag-splurge sa skincare. But this is how it looks. Wait lang, itatapon ko na to. It's time to eat. So this is just my food. Just a dumpling. And this is my mini nook. And yan. So, gutom na ako. I just got back from work and super messy ng room ko kasi I'm always rushing because like my work starts at 7:45. So basically, I need to leave my condo at like 7:30 before 7:30. This is the view. Wait. This is the view from my room. This isn't facing the Marina Bay Sands, but few condos. Andun natin yung Marina Bay Sands doon. Kasi doon ako No, mali. Dito pala. Basta. Tingnan niyo yung dumating na package sa akin, ha? Ang dami. Ito binili ko lang ito kanina. Tinatong ko dyan kasi 4 boxes. Grabe. So guys, I had my groceries in Shopee. Yeah, here in Singapore, my Shopee supermarket sila. So I get my things there, like tissue, water, and yes, I buy my water here in Singapore. Ang water here is pwede ka uminom sa faucet, pero maarte kasi yung tiyan ko, and maarte lang din ako. So I always buy my water. So this is my water. That is my water. Hindi ko alam kung asan yung ilaw eh. Basta yan yung tubig ko. Diyan muna siya sa storage. Random lang yan. Ramen, spam, Pocari Sweat, coffee ata, I think. That's all, guys. This one is from Shopee. This big ass box is from Shein. Wow. Oh my god. Yeah, this box is from Shein and I'm gonna unbox it. Shein package that I got is just for my new place and almost talaga for here lang siya. And wala akong binalang clothes. I think. I'm not sure. I got this last year pa before I come back here in Singapore. And yun lang siya dumating. But this is the first one. I don't know. Surprise! These are my organizers. Binili ko tong mga to online, which is a Shein. Kasi if Shopee, iba-iba yung seller nila. Tapos, mas mamamahalan ako sa shipping fee. And also, if hindi na kasi ako yung parang I go out physically and buy all the things I need. No, even groceries nga, diba? Panda Mart ako. Kasi mag-isa na lang akong tumitira. Like, I don't have my brother to go with me to buy groceries or what. And he can bring all the stuff that I bought. But no, I'm alone now. And ako yung taga-bitbit. So, I remember the first time na nag-IKEA ako nung pagdating ko sa Singapore. Ang dami kong bitbit, mag-isa lang ako, buti na lang tinulungan ako ng friend ko. Tapos, may dala-dala pa akong maleta, so nilagay ko dun lahat ng need ko. But, yeah, yung mga cabinets, ginab ko yun lahat. So, yun, parang hindi na mauulit. And, ano na lang, online na lang talaga lahat. So, kaya, eto. I learned my lesson. So, ito yung first. I got an organizer. Dalawa pala. Dalawa in the same design. Which is just white. And, I think dalawa. Oh, isa lang. Meron pa akong isa. Pero ano siya, may design to. Wait, papakita ko yung difference. Dami. Ay, ang pangit. Bumili ako ng beauty blender. Kasi yung beauty blender, like twice ko lang gamitan, tinatapon ko lang. Twice or thrice. But this one, iba-iba yung color, di ko bet. So, yeah. Ito yung una na organizer. Dalawa to. Nandito yung isa sa loob. Ito yung design niya, which is like marble-ish gold. Marble-ish, hindi siya marble. Basta parang ganon. May design siya. Dalawa to. The other one is here. Parang hindi ko na ipakita later. And then the second one is this one, which is plain lang. Ito parang IKEA design siya. This one. Yeah, so it's just white. Feeling ko lalagyan to ng mga itlog or something sa red. Hindi naman siguro. Okay lang. Parang mga toiletries lang siguro dyan. But this one kasi cute talaga. Compare mo siya. So, plain and extravagant. So, up next is this. Oh, this one is so cute. It's like a perfume refillable something. But like, with all the glitter and stuff. So cute. Oh, gaganunin lang. Cute. Okay, I'm so happy with this purchase. Next thing is, this one. It's an organizer. I am planning to put like cotton buds in here. I think so, cotton buds. Dapat pala dalawa ito. Ito lang ata to. Yeah, I think it's just one. And this one, oh my god. Meron na kasi ako nito, pero pumili pa din ako ng isa. This one is for like my makeup brushes. They were sobrang cute. I mean, cute din naman yung lagayan ng makeup brushes ko na. This is my makeup brushes. May takip yan kasi when traveling. But, I think this is much cuter. Of course it is cuter. Anyways, moving on. Bumili ako ng dalawang towel. Ang dami. Ayoko na. Ba't ba ako nag-shopping ng dalawa dami? Alam mo naman, ang daming pera, no? So, this is my room slippers. So cute, right? Is like a satin pillowcase. I got towels. Dalawa to, actually. And this is my hamper. Yes, this is my hamper. Cute lang, aesthetic, bagay sa room ko. And this one is my pillowcase. This one is 2 pieces. Yan. That one is for my square pillowcase. And I got this one. Alam mo, pag tinalin mo yung hair mo like that, tapos black lang, lalagay mo to, and shining, shimmering, splendid siya. So I like it. And yeah, same. Ano lang siya, clamp. And last package. Last na ito. Pagod na ako eh. And this is the last one. This is the towel. And ito po pala yung unan. Ito nila akong new unan. This is the unan. I have another package. Meron ako nito before, pero binili ko siya ulit kasi nasira yung sole. And okay lang kasi ito yung ginagawa kong everyday heels sa office. I have the nude and the black, which in different design, but yung quality maganda. Parang this is just $10. Tapos like, I swear to God, for like 6 months, I just interchanged them. So, almost every day ko talaga itong ginagamit ng mga tayo. It's just $10. Imagine, for 6 months. Parang magkano? Piso per use, di ba? So, ganun ako mag-justify ng sinashopping ko. For example, I bought this one nga for $10. And then, kung sa 6 months, mayroong 180 days. So, 10 divided by 160. So, ganun lang yung binabayad ko per day. Para, diba? Or sabihin naman natin, for 6 months bago nasira, hindi ka naman everyday ginagamit, say 80. So, $10 divided by 80, ganun. Yun yung price niya per use ko. This is the nude one, kasi yung black one, I recently purchased it, and ginagamit ko na siya. Ito yung nude one. This is prettier, pero medyo masakit siya here. Pag una. Sa una lang naman yan masakit. This is it. Okay, so for the very last unboxing. Kasi may binili ako kanina sa Japan home. And sa Watsons. So from Watsons first, I got just a razor. My Nivea, what is this? Nawawalan ako ng words. My Nivea Dio. This one is for like my contact lens. So this is a solution. Finally. And I got some vitamins. This one I'm bringing to the office. And for Japan home, oops, you can see this is just, of course, you know, real thing. And lotion. Pangit yun. Wala na kasing iba. But anyways, yun lang. Trash bag. A bunch of wets. So, this is the aftermath of my shopping haul. This is the aftermath of the unboxing. Forgive my napkin. But yeah, this is my room. Sobrang gulo niya, but let's start fixing it now. This is how my room looks like. Just have a mirror here. My little table. This is for my like everyday makeup. And this is a drawer which I put a lot of things. I don't want to open it because it's messy. Daily necessities. And this one I put my daily bags here. And this is the window, my bed. And what do we have here? I just have my laptop in here. A lot of things here and there, but I'm not gonna open it. And this is my cabinet, but I'm not gonna show you guys because it's so messy. And this is my little area here where I put my perfumes. So I decluttered some of my perfumes and brought them back to the Philippines. But here I just have this Thousand Wishes from Bath and Body Works. I love this one. Pure Seduction, this Gap. This is my favorite thing, but I think they stopped producing it. This is my favorite YSL Libra. So good, right? I mean, that smells so good. Some shades. This is my current obsession. I have some unopened ones here. My Dior, my Ariana Grande. And on the second one, on the bottom one, it's just my skincare and other stuff. And these are just my hair tools and some facial tools. And yeah, that's it. This is my small room. This is where I live at. So you cannot see Marina Bay here. I think it's the other side. So this is just a bunch of buildings. And yeah, so I'll let that stay there. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!